Hello friends, welcome to the Principles of Geographic Information Systems QGIS practicals. Today's practical is working with attributes in QGIS project. So let's start with a new project. So click here. Now in layers, go to the layer, go to add layer and add vector layer. You will get this dialog box. With these three dots, we have to select the file from the given data set. The link for the data set I will provide in the description box. So here I'm navigating to this folder, and here you have to select this zip folder and you have to click open and click add and click close. So the vector layer has got added to the canvas of this QGIS project. Now right click on layer in layer panel and open attribute table. Here you can explore various attributes and their values in the attribute table. These are the two different views of attribute table. You can check all the attributes written over here as a schema, and by clicking on the other view here you will get to see all the values of these attributes. You can click on the columns and you can see them ascending and descending in terms of the values of these attributes. Here we are going to select a feature of expression. So click here to write an expression. You will get this dialog box. In this dialog box, enter the expression as pop max greater than 100 and pop max less than 10,000. Once done with the equation, click on select features and you will be able to see that result into the layer. After clicking the button select features, we will get all the places with the population between 100 and 10,000 in attribute table also. So you can see the changes after clicking this select feature button. So you can see that only those rows have got highlighted where the population is in between 100 and 10,000. You can see this in attribute table as well as in the layer. So here also you can see this yellow color dots are representing our selection. You can zoom this layer or you can pan this layer to get the appropriate view. The places matching the criteria will appear in different color. Here it is appearing with yellow color. Now click on this eye tool, that is information tool, and select any dot and you can check the information for the population attribute. You will get to see that it is in between the 100 and 10,000. So the values which are not in between 100 to 10,000 will have more values. You can check this here. The population max value for this dot was more. That's why it was not highlighted with the yellow color. But for this dot, the population value is in between 100 and 10,000, so it is highlighted with yellow color. So you can check this randomly with different points. Several such different queries can be performed using the data set. Let us try some other query. So to do so, just again right click on the layer and go to the open attribute table. So first of all you can remove the selection by clicking here. So now the highlighted feature has gone. Let us create a new equation. So this is pop max greater than 100 and pop max less than 10,000, and the name of country is Brazil. So now here only the features from Brazil will get highlighted after clicking on select feature. So you see here only the points at Brazil area has got highlighted with the yellow color. Now I'm here giving some different color to those points so that they will be easily distinguishable. So after clicking apply, you see the other points are with green color and the highlighted points are with yellow color. So you see only Brazil area has got these highlighted points out of all these points. Now let's clear this selection and let us write one more equation. Now instead of Brazil, now I'm using Australia as the country name, and now you can see that all these values or rows with the name Australia whose population is in between 100 and 10,000 will get highlighted. So in attribute table, rows are getting highlighted, and in layer the points will get highlighted. So only the Australia region has got these points highlighted. You can click on this eye tool and you can check the values for population max, the attribute that we are using in our analysis. So you see only this yellow color dot are showing the values are in between 100 and 10,000. The other dots like green color dots are having values either more than 10,000 or less than 100. So this is how you can work with the attributes in QGIS. You can save your project with this step, give the appropriate name and click on save. Thank you for watching this video. Do check the description box for dataset link.